This is one more beautiful plant of our India, and it's actually a bulb. Underneath there's a white bulb there. Some animal has tried to dig it out, I think, in yesterday night. So anyway, this this white flower belongs to that Crinum asiaticum. Now this Crinum is quite a big group of these kind of tuberous kind of plants, and they have these and in India there is one common variety, that is this this one, this Crinum asiaticum. It occurs in all kind of forested locations and open uncultivated fields. Once cultivation happens, then these roots and all get destroyed, dug out, and that's the end of those plants. And this one, it's called Vishamugli in Kannada, and then Nagadamani in Sanskrit. And also you will find it in stream beds, and some of them occur inside the stream also, some of the varieties of this species, this Crinum species. And it's very fragrant and aromatic, and the aroma starts coming in the evening, because these white flowers, they tend to be pollinated at night by insects, many of them. And already you can see, yesterday evening this flower has bloomed, and today morning, now it's early morning, already a lot of black insects have come. They are busy pollinating these flowers. And the bulbs, they cause nausea, and they have this bitter, acrid, cooling, expectorant, laxative, then carminative, anti-worm, aphrodisiac, and diuretic. Then diaphoretic, anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and tonic. So it has numerous properties, this white bulb of this plant, and it's used in Ayurveda in many of the preparations. Then it is mainly used, those bulbs are used for vitiated pitta and kapha problems. And then it's useful in cough, bronchitis, tumors, wounds, digestive issues. Then like bloating, flatulence, worms, inflammation, fever, weakness, etc. So it has a lot of therapeutic uses. It's also beautiful, and I think these little these kind of these hedgehogs and these smaller rodent type of creatures and all are eating these tubers. So yesterday night apparently something has been working here, and it has dug out one plant trying to get at that root over there. Anyway, this Crinus species, there in the Western Ghats region, there are many varieties are there, and even new ones they are still discovering. Just recently, in northern Maharashtra, in the Western Ghats, there a new variety was discovered. This Crinus species, Crinum asiaticum, it's Crinum variety, and then there's one called Crinum woodrowi, and then Crinum latifolium, etc. So this Crinum family is very important. Lot of Western Ghats species of this Crinum have not yet been identified, and this is an excellent plant to get into city gardens and all, because one is it's a herbal plant and it's medicinal and all, and also it's our native plant. and extremely beautiful. You see that long fleshy leaves, a very nice green color, and then once a year it flowers. Then apart from that, it is also very hardy. So there's no maintenance and all. Once a year you will get a bunch of flowers like this. So that's a bit about this crinum. See, already these insects have come and they've eaten and kind of ruined the flower actually in the process of pollinating. But as far as the plant is concerned, the pollination has happened by now.